I don't want to cook myself lunch, so I got myself a Lunchables. These will always be the OGs. Woo! Well, just got back. First stop, Party City. I got some mad deals at Party City though. This garland, you see this? This was originally $7.99. I got it for $1.30. I don't know why their prices are going low already. It's barely like, I mean, I can see why. But I got 2 of these. So far we got these for $1. I wasn't planning to decorate. I wanted to mostly be like activities for the dogs and stuff and for us. But I was like, they're $1, might as well go all out. And these were $1 also on sale. So I'm gonna wear these today. Or I'm gonna wear these right now. Perfect. I got a little banner. That was regular price. I believe it was like 10 bucks. Balloons were on sale too. $1 for 25. Yeah, 25. And then I got some glow sticks. Trying to see if these are even worth it. 5 bucks. Get your. I'm gonna make a cool little game with the pumpkins. So you guys will see this later on. Then I went to PetSmart. And I got nothing for the party. I got a bunch of plush toys that I thought were super cute. It looks super neon green in the screen, but it's like blue. Oh, it's like cyan, I guess. This was 10 bucks, which is not great. I had to get this. I don't even think I'm gonna let the dogs play with it. I think it's gonna be Giannis's toy. It is so cute, I love it. I don't remember how much that was. Oh, I got an email receipt, dang. These were on sale. These are usually really expensive. These were $12 originally, but they were 7 bucks because they are themed. So I had to get them. You made a mistake by answering. I was just gonna be like, if he answers, I'm gonna get it. Do you wanna see what I'm gonna get? Finally, like you guys saw, I ended up getting this for Corinne. We do wanna teach her how to walk on a leash, so I thought this would be so cute for her. I'll probably have her try this on and we'll see if she even likes it or not. I spent way too much at this. I originally went to PetSmart to get some treats because I know they have really cute Halloween themed treats. A couple years back, I actually made the dogs candy bags, so I think I'm gonna kind of do something like that again. These are also on sale. I can't quite remember. I want to say they were like 7 bucks and they were like $2. I did have to get a lot because I have a lot of dogs. This one has like a cat. I don't know what that is, like a gravestone, ghost, and pumpkin. Super cute. And finally, I went to Walmart, picked up some lunch. Did you like your sticker they gave you? Remember? Super cute. I got pumpkins at Walmart for $3, and these are $1. Super cool steal. At Target, they're $5 for the big ones. So go to Walmart. And then I got the crescent dough sheets and some weenies, so that I could make a Pinterest-inspired little Halloween snack. And it's dog-friendly. Bye, Giannis. You're carrying all my stuff. I'm gonna start with this. How do I pop it? I'm so confused how do you pop this? It doesn't have instructions on how to pop it. What? What? I'm so confused. Oh, this is not good. Ah! Good thing is it doesn't have to be like perfect because we're doing mummy wrap, so it's kind of not perfect. If I was trying to do something professional, this is not the way to go. This is horrendous. So I'm gonna cut the ends so I don't have to deal with it. I'm gonna cut thin strips. Then I'm gonna get my weenies And I think I just punctured a hole in that one. And I'm going to wrap them up kind of messingly. Is that a word? I don't think so. To look like little mummies. I'm gonna do that for the whole pack because we don't really eat weenies. So why are these weenies so wet? This one's jam-packed. All right, I set my baking time. I set my temperature to 375 and we're gonna pop them in the oven. And then it's 10 to 15 minutes. They're gonna be ready.
27, boom, boom, 5, 6, 7. Have yourself a great day, sir. Thank you so much.
We also got more decorations, but this time for outside the house. Super excited. We're gonna put them up just in time for the Halloween party. Oh my god! This is the first one. Oh, I did get something from inside too. Oh, this is for my ofrenda. So if you guys saw in the last video, I put up a Dia de los Muertos ofrenda. And these are little like card holders, but you can use them for your pictures. So I just went ahead and bought these. It came with like, I think there's 12 in here for like $5. I got some pathway lights that changed to purple. Finally, you guys can't see what's in here, but we saved the best for last. And then I'm gonna start with setting up the stuff for the party. It's missing an A. Bobbing for tennis balls. Woo! I want to show you what I made.
What you make?
I want to show you.
Are those pigs in a blanket?
Yeah, but they're supposed to be like mummies.
Ah, cool. Cool. Yeah, I see that.
They're cute, huh? Super easy to make.
Super cute.
Super cute. Hurry up.
I'm actually struggling.
Looks pretty good. Looks yummy. Look at this. It's dress up time! Dress up time! Now is the time where the dogs get ready for the party. One of these costumes is a hint to what we're actually going to be for Halloween. We're usually a theme as a whole family, so try to guess it in the comments. And leave this on, girl. Good girl. Where's Cleo? Do you think Stella will leave this on? Probably not. Stella, it's not that bad. Sit. Sit. It's really cute. It's really cute. You leave it on now. You leave it. Look at it.
What's dead?
Nova's costume. Stella, get in with the program. Oh. Put it on Stella. Why do you even put this on? Oh, I see. Perfect. How does that seem God. Show everybody. There you go. There you go. So that's Nova. I'm gonna dress Bentley and Juniper outside. Cause they can't. I'm gonna try on this harness. She actually is leaving the wig on.
Oh my god.
Is it?
Wow.
Sit. Wow, Nova, good girl. This is gonna be her costume for today too. Oh, she's right in frame. She's waiting. Karina! Look at that. That is so cute. Karina's such a princess. She's like, what? I know something's on me right now. Oh, Corrine. She's low-key freaking out. Stella, leave her alone. Oh my gosh.
Nova's going to turn into a beard.
She looks like an Irishman. She's walking all weird. She's like drunk. Stella, get your hat on. Let the party begin. Ah, they're coming all for me. Okay.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. That ended with life when I say shit.
Bentley's a hot dog. Bentley. Bentley. Juniper is Batman. Stay. Stay. Good job. Alright, so that's the boys' outfits. Why is his all crooked? Oh my god, I just ripped it. Bobbing for apples. Stella already took all the apples out. Look at that. Stella, get that one. Good job. Get that one. So you go like this. Oh man. Oh, I'm super close. Ah, that was rigged. Please.
What happened to the 8th? Halloween.
Oh, he's trying to pick it up. No, it's too heavy for you, baby. You did it! Woo! Congratulations! Good job, little baby. Yay! Alright, now for these. I'm super excited about these. Oh my god. You swallowed it. You swallowed it too. Are you kidding me? Oh, you all swallowed it. So it was super good then, I'm guessing. Perfect. So this is how our Halloween party has turned out. Our Happy Halloween banner is missing an A. The garlands are turning. All the balls have been bobbed outside. It was mainly her. The ring toss was a success. That was actually a pretty fun game to play. Everyone's wearing their costumes. And of course the balloons are all in this pit. But now is time to serve the platter. I hope you guys enjoyed this pumpkin dog Halloween party that I decided to throw with the dogs. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober. I can't believe I've been making this many videos. It's kind of crazy. I'm tired. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I've been enjoying them so far as well. But it's still not over, so don't forget to subscribe here if you want to watch more Vlogtobers until October 31st will be the last Vlogtober video. And if you want to watch more Vlogtobers, this was yesterday's Vlogtober. I think you're gonna like it a lot. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!
That ended with life when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. Till one day I'll be stomping on stages.
Cleo emerges after the party's over. What's wrong, little Cleo? Let me fix that for you. Oh, that didn't work.